When I first started learning JavaScript, I was hyped. I thought I'm gonna build websites, make money, maybe even become a full-time developer. But not long after, I started feeling stuck. I didn't understand anything. I felt like I wasn't smart enough, like coding wasn't for me. So it got so bad. I stopped coding for almost a year and a half. And when I finally came back, I didn't even remember how to write basic HTML. So I had to start all over again. So yeah, I get it. I really get it. Today, I want to share why most people give up on coding and how you can avoid that. This is real, no sugarcoating. Let's be honest, most of us expect to learn coding in 2 to 3 months and land a tech job right away. But when things get hard and we don't see quick results, we get discouraged. We ask ourselves, why is this taking so long? Why can't I build anything yet? The truth is, coding is a journey, not a race. If you expect shortcuts, you will give up. So take it one step at a time. Don't rush. A lot of people say, I want to learn how to code, but why? Do you want to freelance, build a startup, get a remote job without a clear goal? It's easy to lose motivation, so set a target, even if it's small, like build a simple website or a to-do app. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, APIs, bro, it's a lot. You open YouTube and everyone throwing a different language at you. It's normal to feel lost, but here's the fix. Focus on one thing at a time. Don't chase anything. Master the basics first. Some tutorials are just copy and paste. They don't explain why things work. You finish the video and you are like, okay, now what? So find creator or courses that break things down simple. The ones that make you think, not just copy. Sometimes you are stuck on one bug for hours. You Google it, you watch tutorials, nothing works. If you don't have anyone to ask, it gets frustrating fast. So join a community, find a Discord group, ask questions online. You are not alone, bro. Feeling like you are not smart enough. This one, it's me hard. I looked at people building cool stuff while I couldn't even understand a function. I told myself, maybe I'm not meant for this, but here is what I've learned. You don't need to be a genius to code. You just need to keep going. Consistency beats talent every time. Sometimes life gets in the way. Work, school, stress, family. You don't code for a while, and before you know it, you have stopped coding completely. That's okay. Even if you can only do 30 minutes a day, do it. Small progress is better than no progress. If you are thinking of giving up, please don't. I've been there before. I gave up once and I regretted it. But when I came back, I took it slow. I set goals, I stopped comparing myself, and guess what? Things finally started to click. You are going to struggle. That is part of the process. But if you keep going, one step at a time, you will get there. So keep coding, keep learning, and don't quit. Your future self will thank you. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment, and also hit the subscribe button. You got this, bro. I'm rooting for you.